firsthand. So what I'd like to do is introduce Ben Tanner to the stage. He's the Director of Cloud Enablement for IHS Markit.
Chris, thanks for having me.
Ben, great to see you. You've been on this incredible journey. You've done some things that are just absolutely mind-blowing, but why don't we just kind of step back and just talk about some of the challenges that you were handed to you from your business and how you've moved forward.
We had to look at how we were operating our infrastructure. It wasn't very efficient. We couldn't react to the business demands very quickly. We had a lot of technical debt, 7, 8, 9 figures of technical debt, astronomical, and that technical debt was really inhibiting our ability to execute as IT. So we had to sort of take a step back and say, okay, how can we do things differently? And that's when you guys, in partnership with Amazon, released VMware Cloud on AWS.
So you started exploring VMware Cloud on AWS. Now, part of this challenge, you were trying to move a number of applications to the cloud. What are we talking about? How many applications?
Well, so we have a corporate goal of moving 80% of our applications to the cloud across the company. So we've got, depending on how you define them, somewhere between 600-700 applications on some 20,000 workloads. So a fairly large footprint. And, we started to say, well, what does it mean to move to the cloud? Does it mean we have to refactor everything to be cloud native? Now, our goal as a business is really to deliver value for our customers. And if we stop and start to refactor, that stops our innovation. So that's not really sustainable for us. So how do we get to the cloud and do it in a way that's as minimally disruptive to our product teams as possible so they can continue focusing on delivering customer value? And then we've got some breathing space. How do they then refactor for cloud native where it makes sense? And that's really where the VMC play comes in. So we can take a workload, we can move it up to VMC, classic 3-tier enterprise application, but then they can do things like incrementally refactor to consume some of the cloud native services. Again, where it makes sense, we don't have to go cloud native because we've already got a lot of the agility advantages out of VMC, and by leveraging things like vRealize Automation Cloud on top of that, we are operating in a cloud-like manner. It's transformative for us.
So we've migrated hundreds, so how many applications in total? So 1,000 workloads.
1,000 workloads,
So
yeah.
6 months, 12 months?
Well, so we were able to take those 1,000 workloads and move them to VMC in 6 weeks.
1,000 workloads to VMware Cloud on AWS in 6 weeks?
In 6 weeks. It's a little bit more exciting than that because the first 500 workloads took us 4 weeks. And then we got the hang of it. And then we were able to move another 500 workloads in 2 weeks. And that's using HCX, that's using VRA, that's using VMC, and it just worked.
HCX. Think about that.